uMacele usethi mina ngikhulumela yonke into emzumba ungijwayela kambi lokho.
Wena by that time you told me ukuthi awusoze wamthatha.
Ubedelela mina. That is why kade sho kanjalo.
Mangikhunjuzwa into endala. Ngifuna ukukhunjuzwa because angisazi ukuthi ngathi.
Ngingenaphi mina lapha?
Sengibekezela isikhathi eside kakhulu bengidelela bonke. Unguhle bayeka.
Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If people are talking about it, then we are breaking it down right here. Subscribe now and join in the conversation. The Mselekus are back from the retreat. Siboniswa ukwatile uyaqhuma ukwatile uMacele uqhuma cricket eMzumbe. Siyambona umamkhulu esithi le retreat ayimenzelanga nto, it did nothing for her. I think into yenzile ivusa izinto ebekade sigcine ngaphakathi. Into ebekade ezibekile sigcine ngaphakathi zivukile. Uyakhalaza umamkhulu, ukhalazela oThobile benze i-IVF. Ukhalazela oThobile benze i-IVF several times and she was never told. Kunomfazi othi kwakumele engathi kwakuthiwa akazuthathwa. Asazi ke nguphi sizawubona kwi-episode yanamhlanje. Lo mfazi kwakuthiwa wayisithi kwakuthiwa akazuthathwa kodwa enda phethathiwe. Yo ininzi nje into eyenzekayo eMzumbe. I feel umamkhulu manje ngayishiyekile kula retreat, ngiyishiyekile abanye amakhosikazi la engekho. Ashiyeke kumhlambe noTata uMseleku akakwazi uqhaqha isifuba avule akhuphe yonke lento lapha kuye ngaphakathi. Ngoba i-anger une-anger and i-anger engaka ayikho right for i-health yakhe. Asazi sizawubona kwi-episode yanamhlanje bethunani. Asazi bakwenzeka ntoni eMzumbe. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, join in the community by subscribing. I've got plenty more coming your way. Until next time, ndinithanda.